Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Prayank The Little Coder. So today I'm going to make a game. The half code has been done, I just need to make some more. So we need to go up and see all these. Okay, so now we need to make, first let's see this. So we are here with this angry bird who is very hungry. And this wizard is throwing some pies and a flamethrower. So we need to avoid the flamethrowers and get the pies because he is hungry. So for that, I'm going to code because I am Prayank the Little Coder. So I'll get these down for some space. Okay, now need to go up and take this big massive block and then we need to separate this. And now we need to go. I'll just find some blocks that are going to be used. Here it is. Show title screen. I'll just put it right here. And I will write here CORRE. Score. And now we need to get this block out and go to variables and press the point. So there is our thing. And when we run, we see the score button. Isn't that cool? But still, when I touch the pie and the code is and the score box is not coming. So for that, we are going to make some more space and repeat this forever block. So we'll go to loops, repeat forever block, show title screen, title score, text point. Then after one is our word. So after one touches the pie, so I'm just gonna take set point. We need to make this 1G. Okay. So we'll go down. And make these blocks some down. And now we'll take this massive one more block and make it more down. And we will take this block right over here to that place. And now we need to go to the math section and this block. Then we need to press this only to plus and then we need to get out that. Now we need the point again because we need to do right here no. So here will be 1. And then we are going to do when after 1 touches red fireball. So for that we need the same things to do what we did for the after 1 touches the pie. So let's go to the variables, set point to, connect it. We have connected. So we have our connected blocks. I'm just gonna put it right there. Yes. So now we need to go to the math section, take this block and come here. So again take this block out, variables and the point button. And now we need to take this to minus. Because the fireball, we need to avoid the fireball from the bird. Okay, so here will also be 1. Now see my magic. I run it, and when I touch the pie, see 2, because I touched it 2 times. See 3. And when I will touch the flame, and so when I touch the flame, it will decrease 1 point. So it decreases 1 point. Now I touch the pie. It's gonna be 4, right? But it's taking a lot of time. But that is okay. Make sure do not touch the flamethrowers, or else the pie will burn. Okay. And we need to know how does this bird moves. So this bird moves with these down blocks. When left arrow, move after 1 left, 20 pixels. The all pixels are named as 20. When right arrow, move after 1 right, 20 pixels. And these pixels make him move. So, see. And this code is for the wizard, who is right here, who is throwing the pie and the flamethrowers. Now, you must be thinking, why I haven't revealed my face. I'll do it in my next video. Bye bye.